Hello, good morning. So today, welcome to another video of my channel Chamfaro. So today, I am going to give you all a tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun and the moon in Tux Paint and Paint 3D. First, let's draw a sun in Tux Paint. First, let's go to this stamp. Now, this is the part where the stamps of space are. This is the stamp of our sun. Click it and then paste it anywhere where you want. Now we have drawn a sun in Tux Paint. So we have drawn our sun in Tux Paint. Now let us learn how to draw a moon in Tux Paint. Again, we are in the stamp section only. As I told before that this is the part where the stamps of space are there, and this is the stamp of the moon. Now select the moon and paste it anywhere you want. Now we have drawn a moon in Tux Paint. Completed the tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun and the perfect moon in Tux Paint. Now let us see how to draw a perfect sun and the moon in Paint. First, let us open Paint. Now this time we are going to learn first that how to draw a perfect sun in Paint. First we have to select the color one as yellow. Now select the shape of circle. Now go to fill and select the color of yellow. Now go to line and draw some lines like this. Now we have done the tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun in Paint. We have seen the tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun in Paint. Now let us see how to draw a perfect moon in Paint. First, select fill. You should fill the paint background to black color. Now first I am showing you how to draw a perfect full moon in Paint. First, we should select circle and do the fill to solid color. We should change the color 1 to light gray and color 2 to light gray too. Now I am drawing a circle. Now we should change the color 2 and color 1 to dark gray and draw small circles on the moon to resemble the craters. Now I have completed the drawing of a perfect full moon in Paint. Now we have seen how to draw a perfect full moon in paint. Now let us see how to draw a perfect crescent moon in paint. First we should select black in color 1 and fill the whole paint background with black color. Now we should select the circle and choose fill to solid color. We should make the color 1 and 2 to white and draw a perfect circle. Now we will draw a black circle over the white circle. Now the moon looks like a perfect crescent moon. Now we should go to brushes and select airbrush. We should make the size to the largest size possible. Now but it still doesn't get big enough, so we will make it even bigger with using the shortcut of Ctrl+. Now we should paint the moon like this, and it is a perfect crescent. It is doing a perfect crescent. Now we have completed the tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun and a perfect moon in paint and Tux Paint. Now let us go to Paint 3D. First let us learn how to draw a perfect sun in Paint 3D. Let us open Paint 3D first. Now we should go to brushes and select spray can. As I am just drawing the sun, I am giving the thickness to the highest of all. Now let us select the color of yellow and spray it over. Now let us select orange and spray a little bit of orange on the sun, and select red and spray even less red on the sun. And here's our perfect sun in Paint 3D. Now it is time for us to learn the final thing in our video, which is how to draw a perfect moon in Paint 3D. First let us go to fill. Let me put the tolerance to 100%. We should select the color of black and fill the whole Paint 3D background with black color. Now we should select the spray can. Now let us select white. Now we should draw a glorious thing in the background of Paint 3D. It is the shine of our moon. Now let us go to 3D shapes and select sphere from 3D objects. Now let us draw a sphere and put it in the middle of the globe. Now let us go to stickers and select this sticker, which is concrete. Now let us put the concrete sticker on the moon. We should rotate the moon in a 360-degree angle and put the concrete sticker over it. Now we have put the concrete sticker all over the moon, and our 3D moon on Paint 3D is done. So we have completed the tutorial of how to draw a perfect sun and a perfect moon in Tux Paint, Paint and Paint 3D. So if you like the video, then don't forget to share with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment how you liked the video, and don't forget to like. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe my channel.